All right, today after finishing the test, you were starting into measures of central tendency. A lot of this should be a refresher from last year again. The mean is the measure of central tendency. It's found by calculating the average of a set of numbers. To find the mean, add all of the numbers in the data set and then divide by how many numbers there are. Here is an example. And so I gave you an example in which you added up the numbers of the data set across your numerator and then divided by 8 because we had 8 numbers in this set of data. So my quantity divided by 8 gave me a solution of 6.75 as the mean. The median. Median is the measure of central tendency that uses the middle of the data. To find the median of the data, write the numbers in numerical order from least to greatest. Find the middle number. If there were 2 numbers in the middle, find the average of those 2 numbers. So, we'll notice in our set of data here on the left that we wrote the numbers in numerical order. And since I have 8 numbers, the median is going to be between the numbers 3 and 5. And so I'm going to box my 3 and 5 and find the average. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 2, because I'm averaging 2 numbers, is 4. So my median equals 4. Mode. Mode is the number that occurs the most often in a data set. There can be multiple numbers to represent the mode if these numbers appear to the most and appear the same number of times. If every number in a data set appears exactly the same amount of time, there is no mode, so you can just write no mode. Here are a few examples. So in my data set on the left, I have 2 2s and 2 5s. So this would be bimodal. In other words, it would have 2 modes, number 2 and number 5. In my example on the right, I don't have any numbers that duplicate. I have a single set of all independent values. And since I have a single set of all independent values, there is no mode. Every number appears exactly once. So you should be able to use the same process and same techniques for any set of given data to find the mean, the median, and the mode. Have a good evening.